Good morning, everyone. In the first video, we had started the first lesson, else and or else. We are going to take the second part of this lesson, that is using else with indefinite pronouns. Children, first understand what are indefinite pronouns. You already know that pronouns like he, she, it, they stand or they replace nouns. They are used in place of nouns. Now there are some indefinite pronouns in English. Those are words like someone, somebody, no one, nobody, anyone, anybody, and then everyone, everybody, then something, nothing, anything, everything, somewhere, nowhere, anywhere, everywhere. You have already studied these words in your 6th class. Why are they called indefinite? Because they stand for unknown person, place, or thing. For example, somewhere. Somewhere means it may be any place. So it stands or it is coming for an unknown place. As it is coming for an unknown place, it is called indefinite pronoun. Like that, someone, somebody, no one, nobody, or everyone, everybody. So we can use else along with these pronouns. It is very simple. How to do it? Let us see it. What you have to do is you have to remove other and the word like person, thing, place coming after it and use else. Sentences will be like this in your exercises. I have some other thing to show you. This is a sentence. Now, which word is there? Some. From some, someone, somebody, something, somewhere we have to choose one word. Now, other is there, and after that, word is there showing person, place, or thing. Sometimes it may be some other person, sometimes some other thing, sometimes some other place. Now, based on that, we have to take the word. Now, see, I have subject and verb as it is. Some, then what is there? Thing. If person is there, some other person, then someone or somebody. If place is there, suppose some other place, then somewhere. Understood? Just like this, you have to replace this complete 3 words. These 3 words may be some other thing, some other place, some other uh, person, or instead of some there may be another word from no, any, or every, like no other person or every other person or any other person. Then based on that you have to take that anything, anyone, whether it is standing for person, place, or thing. So something taken because it is standing for thing. So I have something. Now immediately after this indefinite pronoun you have to use else, and you have to remove the word other and word coming after it. Other, place, other thing, other person. You have to remove these 2 words and you have to attach with the previous word. If it is person, here person. Suppose if it is person here, then someone or somebody. If it is place here, then somewhere. Now in place of some there may be another word also. Based on that you have to take it. So I have something, after that else, and remaining part as it is. Look at the second sentence. No other person can match you. Now see here, instead of some other thing, what is there? No other person. No other means you have to take the word beginning with no. Now what it stands for? Does it stand for thing? No, it does not stand for thing. Does it stand for place? No other person? No, it stands for person, no other person. So for person, from no, it is no one or nobody. So you have to remove this complete phrase no other person using the word no one or nobody. So no one or nobody, and immediately after that you have to use else. Nobody else can match you, like this. Now all other people should follow the rules in the lockdown. Now situation is very bad outside, so we should follow the rules. Now see here, all other people. Now which word is similar to this phrase in this table? All other people. Can we take someone? No, it is singular. Can we take no one? No. We should take everyone or everybody, because all other people means all. So this everyone or everybody means all. So in place of all other people, everyone or everybody, and immediately after that indefinite pronoun, as per the rule, we have to use else. Everyone or everybody else, and remaining part of the sentence as it is, should follow the rules in the lockdown. Understood? Now see, sometimes there will be a WH word. What other person? Now which WH word do we use for person? There are two words, who or whom. Now in the beginning we have to use it, so we have to use who. Sometimes there will be what other way in your exercise. What other way? Then we have to use how, because it shows manner of action. Sometimes there will be what other place. Then for place, where. As it stands for person, we have used who. Now immediately after that, else. Who else, and remaining part is coming with you. Second part is the possessive case of else. In some sentences, they will give you an apostrophe attached with person. So there what you have to use is you have to remove the word other and person. Now here some other person, no other person, or every other person. Always it will be like this in sentences, or sometimes any other person. So what you have to do, in place of that phrase, you have to use the correct word from this table. If it is any other person, then anyone or anybody. Suppose if it is all other people or all other persons, then correct word is everyone, everybody. If it is no other person, then no one or nobody. If it is some other person, then someone or somebody. So look at the first sentence. I want every other person's opinion. Now what is the phrase here? Every other person. Now which word is similar here? Everyone or everybody. So I want, as it is, in place of every other person, everyone. Now here apostrophe s is given. So everyone as it is. After that, as per the rules in the first exercise, else is taken. Only change here is you have to attach apostrophe with else. So it becomes I want everyone else's opinion. So in place of every other person, everyone and else is taken, an apostrophe is attached, apostrophe s is attached to else. Second, it is not any other person's fault. Now it is not, as it is. Now what phrase is there? Any other persons. For any other person means you have to take anyone or anybody. So it is not anyone or anybody. One you have to choose. Else's. It is not anyone else's fault. Last example, what other person. Now here WH word. So as per this example, again we have to use who, and immediately after that you have to remove other persons and use else. Who else's duty was it? I hope you have understood the lesson. If any problem is there, doubt is there, you can ask me on the WhatsApp group. Thank you so much. I'll send you the homework based on it.